Welcome guys, this is Willx and this is my web series. So through this series, I'm going to teach you how to become a web developer because this has been a great skill and there has been a high demand of the skill in the market because of the large number of internet users. So in this video, I'm teaching you 5 things to do to become a software developer. First of all, you need to learn the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now I'll explain. HTML is the building block of a website. That is the building block of the web page. Use HTML to write out the web page, while you use CSS to design the web page, adding the color, the positioning, the sizing, and all other things. While the JavaScript is used to add a responsive, to make the website very responsive, and also to make the website not a dynamic one rather, and not static. So the JavaScript makes the website to become dynamic and not static. That is the first thing you do to become a software developer. So secondly, guys, you need to learn graphic design. As a web developer, you need to know graphic design also, as this will be a very great skill to help in design of the web logo, designing some web graphics and like that. So learning graphic design rather will help a lot in your career 2022 rather. So learning the graphic design will help a lot in your web designing career and web development career. So note that you need to learn the graphics design. So guys, thirdly, you need to get a good PC and a good IDE. That is a good code editor. Now for the IDE, I would suggest you use Sublime Text for a start because it has good functionality and a very easy to use user interface. So with Sublime Text, you can get used to the environment of coding. When you want to go advanced coding, you can use your Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code really is advanced, and for advanced developer, you can use Visual Studio Code. But for beginners, I would advise you use Sublime Text 3 or you just stick with your Notepad. So for the good PC, a PC that will have a minimum of 8 gig RAM should be okay for a good start, so as to avoid your computer slowing down or the operation of your computer being slowed down, which makes coding very boring. So that way you get a very good start in your software development, web development career in 2022. So with a good PC and a good IDE, you are good to go for web development in 2021. So guys, fourthly, you need to stick to my web series. You need to subscribe to my channel. So subscribe to my channel keeps you on my series, keeps you updated when I post new videos, new web series content, gets you updated immediately. So part of what you should do is to stick to my channel. By subscribing to my channel, click on the subscribe channel below and click on the notification button, turn it on to get updated when I drop new videos. And also guys, that's going to be a great help for you because I'm going to post this series on how to help us become a software developer in 2022. And lastly guys, you need to learn actively. You need to learn actively. That you don't need to be active in the learning process. You need to practice, read and learn. So in the video description, I'm going to drop a kind of a code, a kind of a template for you to follow. By learning, you practice and you code, you learn, practice and code. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. If it was helpful, subscribe to my channel for more videos. And also click on the subscribe button to stay updated when I drop a video on the web series. So guys, stick to the channel for the next video. Next video is coming up every 3 times a week. So guys, I'll be helping you become fast rising developer in 2022. So just click my channel. Thanks for watching today. Like and subscribe. Bye for now.